Hey, welcome back. Yep, it's part two. Dealing with the poached egg. Right now we have I'm making some smoked salmon two ways, right? You know, a little breakfast. Some people might just gobble this up like it's an appetizer, but it's English muffins, cream cheese, some chives, dill, right? Smoked salmon and the poached egg. Check this out. Is that nice? I don't want to flip it over, but is that nice? You gotta check this recipe out. Oh, hey, and another thing. Look, if you want me to make eggs Benedict, let me know. It's another dish that uses, poached eggs, and I can do that. Just let me know in the comments, and I'll sling that out there for you too. Get in with the get in. Hey, this is Shrashira. That is the best elevator music I ever heard. Alright, so for this dish, we're going to need, of course, our English muffins that I've cut in half. Cut one in half. Some cream cheese. We're going to need some dill, a little bit of dill. A little bit of chives. Get some chives. Half a teaspoon of pepper. And a half teaspoon of salt. And we have chilling here one of our poached eggs that we did. And we're going to put this in some water to warm that back up. It only takes about a minute, and then we'll be ready to rock and roll. So let's start toasting the bread. So what we're going to do now, we're going to melt some butter in this pan so we can toast our English muffins. Okay? So once we get this toasted, we'll be right back. But in the meantime, while this is melting, we're going to mix our chives with our cream cheese. Okay? So let's get to that. So the cream cheese has been softened. It's pretty much at room temperature, which is where we want it. Let me add our chives. We got a few tablespoons of chives here. Let's get this added. Cream cheese and chives is an excellent combo. Right? Excellent. Okay? And there's one other thing that I didn't add here that I forgot to add, but I'm going to add. It's just been a frantic day. My brain meats are all over the place. But we're going to add some smoked salmon to this. Okay, so let's get this all mixed up. And let's get our smoked salmon. So this is our North Atlantic, smoked salmon that we're going to be using. Sorry I didn't mention it before. Like I said, it's been a long day. Let's get some more chives in here. Let's get this mixed up, and we'll start putting everything together here in a minute. Let's get back to mixing these chives and the cream cheese. Bear with me. Just bear with me. We just want to make sure it's all mixed in nice. I could have used a spoon, but I want to use a fork so I can really press the cheese, you see. Okay, there we go. Now let's get back to toasting. Alright, let's move this butter all around. So everything's coated. Now let's add the bread. Our English muffins, get that in there, roll it around. Make sure it gets nice and happy with the butter. Okay? Let's get this toasted. Now it's going to take about, minute and a half to 2 minutes. So we'll be back. Make sure these get nice and toasted. Make sure butter's all over them. Let me turn this over, see how it looks. See, it's getting there, right? Check the other one. It's getting there. It's getting there. Not quite, but it's getting there. Get about another minute or so. Alright, let's check these guys out. Looks good. Looks good. Let's pull them off. Let's start putting this together. But before I do that, I need to warm up the poached egg. Right, so now to warm up the poached egg, you just take your poached egg, right, out of the ice, add it into your simmering water. Okay, it's going to stay in there for about a minute. After that minute, it's going to be warmed through, and you're going to be back in business. All right, it's been a minute. Turn the heat off. All right, let's start plating up. What we want to do first, take our cream cheese with our chives in it, and want to put this on our English muffin. Get that spread around good. Okay. I know I should use a knife for this. I know. As a matter of fact, let me get one. All right, back in business. Got a butter knife here. Spread this around. Right, get all into the nooks and crannies. Right, in the nooks and crannies, that's what we want. The chive cream cheese. Let's do the other one. Right, get it nice and spread it. And again, this is at room temperature. You can add as much or as little as you want. It's all up to your taste. Okay, you don't have to go by my taste. Go by your taste. Everybody's tastes are different. That spread on there like that. Okay, I'm gonna put some more on the other one because the other one seems to be falling short. Let's get this on here. Right? Be generous. Uncle Shaw's buying. Okay, that's good. Now we're gonna add our smoked salmon. And you just want to kind of roll it. You see, just kind of roll it, fold it, if you will. Right? Just like that. Okay? And again, just kind of fold it, drape it, if you will, on there. Okay? Now let's get our egg. We have our poached egg here. We're going to put on top of this guy. Just like that. Nice. Okay? And just a little bit of salt. You don't need much because the salmon is salty itself. So you don't want to get carried away. Okay? You don't want to do that. A little pepper on it. Just a little. Again, you're not trying to get carried away. Okay? Now, we're going to add some dill. A little dill we're going to add on top of this. Okay? Make it look nice. Add some dill on this one. So we got one that has a poached egg with salmon and one that doesn't. And there you have it. Let's see what we got here. Look at that. Cream cheese with chives, smoked salmon, little dill on top. One has a poached egg on it. Oh, you know this is going to be delicious. If you like this recipe, hey, like, comment, share. Definitely comment. I want to know what your thoughts are. So I know, if I'm messing up. If you liked it, definitely if you liked it. If you make it, let me know you made it. And let me know how it tastes for you. This is Shrashira, I'm out. Because I'm about to eat this. All of it.